Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Goodboy GBS and today we're going to play Call of Duty Mobile, but with a challenge. We're going to have to use a loot that we can get in the Atlas Station only. What does even mean? Alam nyo na every upgrade na nakapalibot sa map, merong sariling Atlas Station. At kung anong baril makuha natin dun, yun ang gagamitin natin. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and see you to the video. First game, let's drop standoff. Sana nasa atin ang luck na yun. Wait. So there's one. It's gonna be interesting. So that's a real person right there. Atlas Station. Give me something good. Cordite. USS. I mean, we can work with it. Bye. This gonna be the worst idea I ever had. We need to heal up. Nope. Kinetic tayo. Cancel. Kinetic. It's kinetic.
Watch out.
Philip, thank you. Now, only have to use SMG, ladies and gentlemen. Damn it! AK-117. Pupunta tayo sa dock. I think meron sa dock. Yeah. I think no. I know. Yeah, let's check. Sobrang magiging mahirap to kapag ano na. Kapag endgame na. Kapag lahat naka load out na ng kanila na. Wish me luck, boys. Mas pinahirap pa, mas lalo nang nakaabot na ako ngayon ng master. Mga tao sa dock. Meron bang tao sa dock? Parang wala. Buti naman. Another station. Please be good to me. Ain't a single gun, eh? What's wrong with you? Or suffering, eh? Hey.
Airdrop incoming.
Someone open it or what? That's so weird. Please be good. M4? Damn it. Okay, that's fine. At least we have every weapon. RUS, let's take that. Thank you. The good thing here is we have long range. Get out of my station, boy. This is my station and my station only. Eh? What's wrong with you? Hey, come here. Thank you. Mayroong malapit sa atin, oh. Nya. But challenge is a challenge. Woo! Okay, Atlas Station number 3. Be good to me. Number 3 ba? I don't know anymore. Sniper. Parang gusto kong mag-sniper. Pwede na ito. I'm going to push people. Pushing people with a push. What? Atlas Station, be good for me. Damn it. I see someone. Hey, man. You know what? You can be alive for now. Why? Why do you like this? Eh? Ow! It's Monterey. Nicoloca. Monterey. Give me that.
Airdrop incoming.
Gonna use my kinetic. Just in case. Tapos pupunta tayo ng nuclear plant. Helicopter, helicopter. Tingnan natin kaya. Pag hindi, diwag. At last station number 5951. Syempre wala. What's wrong with you? Right? Please tell me I'm alive. Yay! I'm alive. Ayun, pwede.
Safe zone is collapsed.
Hey,
Airdrop incoming.
hey. What are you doing, man? Oh, crap. Thank you. 6 elimination, 21 person left. At wala tayo sa zone. Ito. Someone killed themselves. What's Jeff? So, ang barrel na meron na tayo ngayon ay RUS and Krieg 6. Mag-work. First game natin to pati. There's some people here. Yes! There's a people. Ah! That's a people! Oh my goodness gracious. You have everything, my friend. 5 players. Sabugin na natin itong heli. Helicopter. Where is that? Double kill. 3 person left.
Only 2 players left.
2 players left. First game. There you go. Let's go! GG! GG! Woo! 10 kills. Oh my god. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Buster 1. Woo! And see you to the next video. Peace!